Hi guys, Mr. Cairns here again. Today we're going to be learning how to find angles around a point. Really important for us to know is that angles around a point always equal 360 degrees. Okay, so always whenever you get a point, if you add up all the angles around it, they should always equal 360 degrees. And we're going to be using that fact to be able to solve some of these questions. So you might have a question that looks a bit like this. We've got this angle here, I don't know, it can be 132 degrees, and you might have this then angle labelled x, and the question is asking you to find out what x is. Well, this isn't too bad at all if we know that all of these angles added together are going to equal 360 degrees. If we know that this one's 132, we can then find this one by doing 360 subtracting 132. So 360 subtract 132. 0 take away 2, I'm not going to do that, so I'm going to carry 1 over. 10 take away 2 is 8. 5 take away 3 is 2. 3 take away 1 is 2. So 228. So my answer is going to be x equals 228 degrees. And that's my answer for that one. That's how I'm going to solve a question that looks a bit like this. However, we can have questions that are a little bit harder. They might look a bit like this, where if we have something like this, where this one can be, I don't know, maybe 41 degrees. This one can be about 83 degrees. And then trying to find x here. It's not too bad, because what we're going to have to do first now is add up both of these angles here together, the 41 and the 83. We're going to add these up together, and whatever that is, we're then going to subtract that away from 360 degrees. So let's add these up together then. 83 add 41. 3 add 1 is going to be 4. 8 add 4 is 12. Carry 1 over there, so 124 degrees. So both of these angles together equal 124 degrees. So then to find x, it's going to be 360 minus 124. 10 take away 4 is 6. 5 take away 2 is 3. 3 take away 1, 236. So x equals 236 degrees. Okay. But we also might have one more type of style question, which is, you could say is a little bit harder, but I don't think it's too bad. We might have something that looks a bit like this. This here, where we've just got something here that looks like a little box in the corner. This one can be 59. And then trying to find this angle here being x. Just got to remember that this is notation that we use to mean it's a right angle. If there's a little square, it means it's a right angle. It means it equals 90 degrees. Okay, so that's just something you will also need to know. So we're going to do the same process again, and we're going to add these two angles together and then subtract that from 360 degrees. So 90 add 59. 0 add 9 is 9. 9 add 5 is 14. 149 degrees. Let's take that away from 360. 360, take away 149. 10 take away 9 is 1. 5 take away 4 is 1. 3 take away 1 is 2. 211. So x equals 211 degrees. And that's how we find our angles around a point. If you're a little bit confused, then rewind and rewatch the video, or if you're really stuck, send your teacher a message and they'll be absolutely happy to help you. We've got some questions on the next slide which I'd like you to try, so please try your best at doing them, and then we've got the answers after that for you to mark your work there. Have fun guys, and hopefully I'll see you soon. Bye.